Is it the ghost from Christmas past? Or is it just day late and a dollar short? That's right. Mail call. Well, you guys tuned in. I didn't find you. Greetings. Hope everybody's having a good new year. Off to a heck of a start, isn't it? Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and everything else. We have multiple mail calls. Not from eBay. Not from Bitsy. But goodies. Goodies, ladies and gentlemen. Oh! Dr. Kevin had his way with me, so we're going to be moaning and groaning through this one. Big one or small one first? What? Okay, me choose. Okay, we are opening. Wow. We're getting there. Oh no. I know. 3 people out there are laughing, right? Stop laughing. These are 6X 700Cs, but these are different. Because these are, sorry, un momento. How's it done? We don't need this. And I guess these are keys, right? Uh-oh. Ta-da! Where are we? We don't need no, you don't need no stinking keys. We need stinking keys. I know, gotta break them in. But look. These are for beginners. Well, it's don't watch the shaking. That's not part of the game here. Once again, it's 911 in the States. Just for a round of applause. Quiet. All right, some people have been waiting for a couple of years for that. This is from Handcuff Warehouse. This is so no one has to call my daughter or Pick Smith to get me out. Okay, one down. No, we're not throwing these away. Okay. 7 specialties, or twofers. We should go for a dull knife so we don't slit our wrists before we get to play. Let's do it this way. I know. There goes the carrots. Why isn't anything working today? You'd think this isn't sharp, right? Foxes are my worst enemy. Sorry. Southern Specialties. The plastic bags are harder than the cuffs. If I'm not lazy, there should be links below. I doubt that anybody doesn't know the links. Check it out. Oh, there's a garbage can somewhere. Look how pretty. We're gonna try and open the plastic bag. Look, we got it. The toughest open of the evening. Look at that. Twofer. We're gonna get one plastic bag out of this deal if it kills me. There we go. Nice. Sorry. I forget to share compared to another one. Ah! I know that guy. I think I even got chips from him. We'll save that. Let's not stab ourselves. I'm getting to him. Twofer. Look at that. 2 plastic bags in a row. The kid's cooking. Ooh. Oh, dude. Look at that. I guess I drank the Kool-Aid, huh? Stop laughing. Yes, I know, Peerless first. Break them in. These I have to call people for. These I don't. Because I can see. Almost. I think I can see. Uh-oh. Kurt, come save me. Here we go. Guess I should have seen if they work before I even put them on, huh? Hey, I'm a newbie. Okay. Look, unlock. Okay. Bad imitation, I know. Interesting. No opinions. Yet. Well, that's what we're here to do. Learn, right? And we will. Okay. We'll consider that a mail call for these two, and one more to go. Let's try this again. See, that worked better. That's Ow! Don't worry, just locks. Shrink. Thank you, Aaron, for everything. These are the ripple handle laminates. The 16, I think, I purchased. And these long, where are we, with the tubing, tend to stay in the hands when they are acting like they're acting now. Are we going to make it before they all drop or not? Let's see. We'll get to these in the next one. And I guess this would go with the cuffs. This is the Shackleman set. Where are we? If you're doing nasty things to your handcuffs. I guess we're going to have to use those, but we're going to break in our cuffs first. Bet you even a newbie could do this. Let's see. Maybe not. Open mouth, insert foot here. No. Yes. No. Yes. I guess they make it look easier than it really is. Well, guess I got something to do tonight, huh? Boy, you guys make it look easier than it is. Look at that. Never have enough room to store stuff. Uh-oh. Oh, got the plastic bags down, right? Shit. I mean, damn. Aaron. Well, never get tired of saying that. And never get tired of saying thank you. Southern Specialties, folks. And they give stickers, too. Okay, I have to play with some cuffs here. Stay safe, stay legal, stop killing each other, and leave the goddamn ICE agents alone. They are not your enemies. Okay, gotta find my off button. Have a good night, all.